Well, they showed up on my Spotify Discover Weekly, and I was like, all right, I have to listen to all of these albums.
I was visiting my friend, and Halo came on, and we were like, this band's awesome, we have to go see them.
We showed up, and we were just like, this is insane, it's just us.
This last week, I slept 8 hours total, I barely sleep.
Music has always been, I think for a lot of people, that common factor that brings them together. And I think Spotify is doing a great job of making that happen.